This is Paul, the accountant. Every day he does 3 things. He wakes up at 7:10. He brushes his teeth, 20 brushes on each side. He pours himself some coffee with exactly 2 spoonfuls of sugar. And then he always, without fail, watches 3 YouTube videos. But not just any YouTube videos. Videos about sweaters.
Let's work together to protect, preserve, and restore coastal Georgia's water quality and natural resources.
Yes! It's done! I have a good feeling about this one.
Maze, you finally come out of your dungeon. What crazy thing are you inventing this time?
It's a surprise for now, Mel, but you'll see.